Guys, welcome to another random nail vlog. I'm here in my salon and I've decided that I fancy doing, well, having a little play with the nails again. So I want to try and make a really long spiky stiletto, but I'm going to do it with using tips, and I think you would normally probably use, I mean, like, this is tip, but obviously, well, I've got a plan, so I'll walk you through it. So I'm going to pop you there. That look about right there. Got my nail drill just in case I fancy having a little go with that. Definitely going to be practicing with that on the finger before I try doing anything, you know. So alright, I've got everything out that I need. My acrylics, so I'm going to go with just probably, I'm just going to go with clear, I think. Just for now. So I'm thinking if I zoom you in a little bit, that might be a good idea. Obviously not too much or you won't be able to see. Also, I have to be real with y'all. The lighting's not great. I'm going to get a specific lighting here so it'll be loads better. Actually, I feel like you'd be better off. You will be able to see better from this angle, won't you? I'm really sorry if it doesn't focus very well, but yeah, the lighting's not great at the minute. So, nail glue. What I've decided I'm going to do, because of the way it works, I can't use it as a tip. I'm going to use two. Can't remember which ones I used. So I'm going to put this one on, and then I'm going to put another one on the tip of it. Do you see what I mean? Didn't want you on here because it's going to be a bit shaky, but I'll stick this one on. Why not? Got to try these things out, don't you? Otherwise you'll never know. It doesn't fit on very well. Oh, I don't know if it's going to stick. It's not worked very well, but that's nice and long. I don't know if I'm going to be able to file that now, you know. I can hear it, my camera going, "Arr." It's like it's just trying to constantly focus. Right, let's try buffing this down a bit. I don't think it's going to work. Right, because I'm just a bit concerned that this isn't going to work, I'm going to actually just get the acrylic straight on it, because I don't think it's stuck very well. So, oh, I need my acrylic liquid out. So I'm going to pour a little bit of this into here. It should be enough. Don't want to use too much because whatever's left over gets wasted. I think I should probably just buy another one of them. I think I should just buy another acrylic liquid because otherwise I'm going to end up running out. And then I'll be sad if I don't have any backup. Right. Got my little drawer here. Can't really see very well, with my brushes in. My pink brush, which is the number 8. I brought some kitchen roll up and everything. Look, I'm so good. I'm so prepared for this, I'm telling you. Oh, that's way too dry. Oh my god, I'm never gonna learn, am I? There we go. I'm sorry if you can't really see very well, guys. Now I'm gonna do this quite thick, I think. I want it to be really long and really strong. I don't know how successful this video is going to be. Is it really out of focus, guys? Oh, it's really out of focus, isn't it? I'll try and cut the bits out of focus out, obviously, unless I'm speaking. Look how long it is. I feel like I prefer it to be too wet rather than too dry, because I'm really struggling when it's too dry. I'm definitely preferring to sort of have a bit too much liquid. Right, I'm gonna go in now to the cuticle bit because I haven't really done that. So I'm gonna get a bead and put it right up to the cuticle. And I want to try and make sure that I get, oh, hello. It's really not focusing well at all, is it? And I want to try and make sure that I get a good apex on it as well. You can't really tell at the minute, but just need a little bit more liquid, but not a lot. And I'm basically now just going to try and go over it all and smooth it all out and fill in any sort of blotchy bits before I start to file it down. The end is still a little bit thin for my liking. I like it a bit thicker. Wow, this is really gooey for some reason. It's gone a bit weird now, it's not drying. That's so strange. Looking better now though. Okay, so it's a bit messy. Well, it's very messy. Well, that's what I've ended up with. It's quite thick and long. I just hope it's going to stay on the nail. So I'll pop the acrylic away now. Oh, where's the pincher? Where is the pincher? Let's try pinching it. I've not done this yet. I don't know if it's going to be too hard. God, I think it's working. Is it working? I'm not sure. I feel like that has actually worked. Oh my god. I'm well excited. Yay, pincher! I haven't been doing this for 18 minutes. Have I? No, I haven't. Have I been filming for 18 minutes? Jesus. Wow, that went so fast. Like, obviously this video won't be 18 minutes, but like I'm going to edit loads out. But it does not feel like I've been doing this for 18 minutes. It's gone well fast. I feel like when I get better, I'll be quicker, so the pincher will go on sooner, which means, like, I feel like some of it had dried too much, but I definitely think it's pinched it a little bit. It's more curved inside rather than as flat. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that's just about dry and ready to start filing. I got some new files. I think I got 10 of these little files. Apparently there are 100 and a 180. I don't really know what it means. One of them is a bit rougher than the other one, but I'm not sure which one is which. But yeah, I feel like maybe today's video, oh, I don't know if maybe I need to leave that a little bit longer. Might leave that a little bit longer. Might even leave the pincher on for a minute as well. So, hi. Wow, we are so zoomed in and I just look awful. So so far I'm really enjoying this nail thing. So I don't know what I'm going to call this video. These are just going to be random nail vlogs, I guess. I'm going to file it down. I do really want to try the drill out, but I don't want to ruin what I've just done. Shall I just have a tiny little go with it and see what happens? Let's have, no, I'll do another video that's just mainly for the drill. Maybe tomorrow, maybe straight after this one, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, it should be alright for me to start filing now. So I'm gonna pop you back down like that. I feel like it's better for me to have you closer and less zoomed in, just because I think it might focus a bit better then. I think it focused alright the other day when we did it, so that's a bit better. So let's, it's hard, it's pretty hard. Start filing. Now, God, I'm worried that this is going to come off the finger. Normally, if this was like real life, I would have done the tip bit and I would have shaped it into a stiletto, because that's what I'm going for. But now I'm just going to have to file it all like this into a stiletto, because I was worried that the second tip wasn't going to stick, so I needed to get the acrylic on first. So it does mean there's going to be a lot of filing. I don't know if that's this. This one might be the rougher one. I feel like this is where the drill would come in really handy. This is going to take a long time. Maybe it's not going to be a complete stiletto. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to get the drill out. Let's just do it. Right, okay guys, so I've decided that this video is already quite long and I need to have a little look-see on how to use this drill thing, because I have no idea how to even get the bits in. It's really weird. So I'm going to do a little bit of Googling and then I will come back at you with a drill video. So this video is basically just going to be on the applying of the acrylic, which we have done there, and I'm actually quite pleased with it. I need something black. Because I want to actually show you how it's gone. Come on. But this is what we've ended up with, and I'm quite pleased. If you remember, obviously we used the two caps. It just needs filing and then hopefully it will look all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video filing this exact one here. So these videos, I guess these two videos will be pretty much a 2-in-1 video. And then I'll also, in that video, I'll also paint it so that I can show you like the end result, so that it kind of finalises both videos, if that makes sense. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little playing with acrylic video. I might do a separate intro just to sort of explain what's going to happen in the video. But yeah. Also, we got to use a pincher, which was cool, and I do think it definitely has a pinch date in the middle. If you look at the, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but if you look at that bit there, it's definitely like thinner than it was originally. So yes, excited. I'm so excited about all these videos to come. I'm just going to be playing. I can't wait to get the hand. That is what I am really excited about, getting the practice hand. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see more of these nail videos. And definitely wait on for the drill one, because it will be coming like straight after this one. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you loads, and I'll see you next time. Bye.